Second shot. Let's do this. So, this video is about
Dead arms.
dead arms.
Dead
Dead
arms.
arms. Dead
Dead
arms
arms.
is the one. Dead arms is the one. We had dead arms, but first off, we need a drink in order to enjoy this moment. So, cheers for that. Uno, dos, tres. Cunt. Yeah. That's what she said.
Right.
So it's left over for me. No.
Left arm for you, yeah.
Yeah. Oh fuck! Oh, it's pathetic.
That's what she said.
Flinched twice, too. Oh. I'm gonna fall over in a minute. Fuck's sake, I said the punches are not good when I'm drunk.
Unfortunately for Jonathan, he's never been to boxing, kickboxing or wrestling, so he doesn't know what it's like to take a whack.
Oh! Ow!
Well, good sir, would you like to call it a day?
Oh! I think so.
Yeah.
Please.
Let's end.
I'll tell you what, oh, fucking hell. This arm's no good for wanking anymore. No good for